Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine if you are new here. In today's video, I have a meal prep video for you. So I like to do ingredient meal prep. I don't like to kind of mix everything together and put like rice, chicken, and veggies all in one bowl. I like to keep everything separate and in separate bowls so that way I can mix and match different things. I can add veggies onto my salad if I want that day, or just take the chicken and do something else with it. So I like to keep everything separate and do more of an ingredient meal prep. So that's just the way I like to do it, to just keep it versatile, and that way if someone in my family doesn't like something or doesn't want something, it's not all mixed together and then we don't have an issue and waste a bunch of food. So today I'm going to be making honey glazed carrots. I made some corn on the cob, some cauliflower rice, making some garlic herb chicken, which is delicious and a family favorite. And I'm also washing and prepping all of my produce for the week as well. So let me know down below if you like this kind of video, and I do this every week, so I can definitely share some more ideas and things like that for you as well, because I'm currently on a weight loss goal. So I am down 8 pounds now, so I'm super excited about that, and I want to lose at least 12 more, kind of assess where I am, and then go from there. So let's see if I get to that goal. I set it by October 1st, but I don't think that's gonna work, but my fingers are crossed and I can hope for the best. So let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos down below, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe.
My mama's standing guard. My father's on the boulevard with my sister in his arms, and now she's older, a little bolder.
So starting with all of my produce, I wash my lettuce and my berries and all of my fruits and vegetables. I wash them in really cold water and a splash of white vinegar, and I just let them soak for a while, and then I rinse everything really well, and then just let it kind of dry on a dish towel on the counter for a little while. And then I'm just starting the carrots and the corn and things like that that need to go on the stove and actually be cooked. I'm waiting for the chicken to thaw out a little bit more before I marinate that. And then I'm also starting my cauliflower rice. I cook that very low and slow so it does not burn, because it burns super fast.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines, and after all this time, all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting.
After I dice up all the chicken, I am just making the marinade. It's super easy. It's the McCormick Grill Mates spice. It's garlic, herb, and wine. It's my favorite. It's super good. You just use 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and then I just dash in a little bit of white vinegar. And then the seasonings, you mix it all up, and I let it sit in the fridge for about a half an hour or 45 minutes. Sometimes I like to leave it longer, but I didn't want to be working with frozen chicken. So I mix that all up and let that marinate for a little while I continue working on everything else.
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, always waiting, I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting, I was taken, baby. You and I have a story, you know. Surely there are some turns on the road. Learn from all of the places we go. We know the only way is up. Through every storm, somehow we find our way. What looks impossible, know that can change. Climb up the mountain until we're on top. We see where we are from, we see where we become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top, see what we become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. You and I have the memories we built on our rise to the top of the hill. Learn from all of the places we climb, but there is no limit to the sky. Through every storm, somehow we find our way. What looks impossible, know that can change. Climb up the mountain until we're on top. We see where we are from, we see where we become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top, see what we become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top, see what we've become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top, see what we become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. You make me feel like I've loved you my whole life. They say it's dead, but I know chivalry's still alive.
Alright, well that is it for today's video. We have all of our food prepped for the week, and it just makes everything super easy and kind of frees up a lot of your time in the afternoon, especially I know kids are going back to school and things like that, so it just kind of makes it easy for you to stay on track and stay healthy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!